If you want to measure blood pressure with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, what you need to do is you need to swipe up to open the list of apps, and then you need to choose the Samsung Health Monitor app, which is this one here. Once you go to the Samsung Health Monitor, you can go to the blood pressure here. And if you go here for the first time, you will need to follow instructions in the Samsung Health Monitor app to calibrate your watch, and you will have to open the app on your phone. And unfortunately, the Health Monitor app is only available for Samsung Galaxy smartphones. So your Galaxy Watch 9 must be paired with a Samsung Galaxy smartphone to be able to use this feature. So over here we can tap on Calibrate Watch. Over here we have the overview of the calibration process. So you will need a valid blood pressure monitor, and you will have to follow instructions within the phone app to take 3 measurements on your blood pressure cuff. And you will need to wear your watch during this time so it can be calibrated. So then, of course, once you are ready, you can just tap on Next and just follow instructions and keep tapping on Next and so on and so forth. Make sure to follow them. If you follow them correctly, then you should be able to, of course, calibrate your watch, and then you should also be able to measure the blood pressure. So once you're ready, just tap on Get Started, and that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.